Hi, I'm Bailey Schultz, Senior Manager of Provisioning and Deployment at 3i. Come along with me to package a shipment. For standard shipments, our team counts and consolidates products for delivery. That means a single box may contain multiple SKUs or different quantities of each item. For smaller orders, that's typically not a problem. But when you're managing large deployments with hundreds or even thousands of devices, things get complicated quickly at your warehouse or end-user location. Your team would need to sort, verify, and distribute all the individual components before the deployment begins. That's where kitting comes in. A kit is a collection of components secured in a polybag or box, creating a complete solution that's ready to deploy. You can hand-pick which components you want to be kitted together, picking as many or as few as you'd like. Because every deployment is different, our team works directly with you to determine exactly what should be included in each kit based on the end user's requirements. Whether you're deploying devices to a single location or across hundreds of sites, we'll help define the kit contents, packaging structure, labeling requirements, and deployment workflow before assembly begins, helping eliminate confusion in the field and making deployment faster for your clients. If your deployment requires components that are not purchased through 3i, we can still bring everything together. Simply ship those items to our facility and we'll combine them with your 3i products to create complete deployment-ready kits tailored to your end user's needs. At scale, custom kitting dramatically reduces the time required to receive, validate, and distribute equipment. Less time spent sorting parts, faster deployments, fewer missing components, and a much smoother experience for everyone involved. If you'd like to learn more about kitting, provisioning, or deployment services, follow the link below and see what's possible with 3i.